So we have seen in the previous video that how to install the site in your localhost. Now we are going to update the site in local machine, localhost, and upload it back to the server. So we are in the version 2.6. So let's begin the procedure. So after you download the files from your Envato account, you will get this 2zip file. So we are going to use this 2.6 to 2.7 zip as we are in version 2.6. We have talked about it previously that if you are in version 2.5 and you want to go to 2.7, then use this file, and the update procedure is A to Z same. Just depending on your version, current version, you will have to choose the zip file. So we are going to choose 2.6 to 2.7, and we are going to copy paste this file in our XAMPP htdocs and the folder we have created in the previous video. So we need to copy paste here and extract it here. After extract, we will get an update folder. Now delete the zip file. In the update folder, we will get composer.json and composer.log. Copy paste this and go to core folder. Go to root folder and then the core folder. Then delete the previous composer.log and composer.json file. Delete these two and paste the new composer.log composer.json we have copied from update folder. Now in the core folder, we need to run a command. In this folder, XAMPP htdocs PlusAgency 2.6 core folder, we need to run composer update. But before running this command, you have to install this composer, which we have shown in the previous video, the download link. So from there you have to download it and install it, and then you will be able to use this composer update command. And that is why we cannot use the make it a one-click updater. Just for this, we have to download it to localhost, then install the composer, and then we have to run this composer update command to install the third-party packages Laravel use. Laravel always uses composer to install the third-party packages. So we have pressed enter. Maybe the press didn't get composer update, and press enter, and this will take a long time to install this. And after this part, you will be like you are paused. So don't worry, it will run some commands next here automatically. You don't have to do anything, just wait and let it run in the background, and the commands will be shown here later. So we are going to pause this video and wait for it. So as we can see, composer update command has run successfully and installed all the dependencies, all the packages have been used in the latest version using this command composer update. Now we have to update the database and the language files. So to do that, we have to follow some steps. Let's follow along with me. Just follow along with me. Now go to the htdocs folder, XAMPP htdocs folder, D drive XAMPP htdocs. Now go to PlusAgency 2.6, which we have created, and the update folder which we get after extracting the updated zip file. Now go to the update folder and copy the update controller, go to root folder, then core app http controllers. Here you have to paste the update controller. Now go to the root folder again and the update folder and open the web.php file. Now take this code, copy the code, and just go to the root folder and core routes, open the web.php and paste it here. After that, go to again root folder and the update folder, then copy the updater folder and go to root folder, then core resources, views. Just paste the updater folder here, and now go to localhost / PlusAgency 2.6 in your browser and hit enter. But before entering this URL in the browser, you have to open the XAMPP, start the XAMPP. Search XAMPP here, then press enter and it will pop up. So start, we have already started, so you have to start it by just clicking on these two buttons. Click on this and click on this. Now you have to go to update /version, and you will see a button here. If you have used the PlusAgency, the updater 2.5 to 2.7.zip file, then it will be update version 2.5 to 2.7. Now in my case I have used another zip file, so this text is showing. Now click on this button, it will update your database and the language files. So as we can see, our update has been completed. Now if you go to the remove the update / version from route and go to the root, then go to package, go to the place order, you will see all the payment gateways available which are available in 2.7. that means your site has been updated to 2.7. now you have to compress and zip these files from htdocs, these files in the PlusAgency 2.6, which is in XAMPP htdocs folder. You have to compress this. Before compressing this, you need to remove the update folder. Remove update folder and all the other changes we have done for updating, like app HTTP controller, core app HTTP controller. There is an update controller we have placed. So remove this and then go to root folder, again core folder, resources, views, we have put an updater folder, so remove this. Now again go to root folder, core, routes and web.php. Open the web.php. We have put a code. Okay, it's removed by the updater. We don't have to remove anything else. So just go and compress and zip this file and upload it back to the live server. Let's also export the database from localhost phpMyAdmin. So go and export this database, and we will have to upload this to live server phpMyAdmin. So click on go. So if you already know the steps to upload it back to live server, you don't have to watch this anymore, this video. You can skip these parts, but we are showing for them who doesn't know. So we have all exported it. So let's go to your server's database. This is my server's database, the previous version's database. Now let's drop all the database tables. So before that, you have to keep backup of this database. Let's be sure. So just drop these tables, all the tables, previous database tables, and import the latest one we have updated in localhost. So it's this file. This is we have exported from our localhost phpMyAdmin. So click on go and import these files. So we can see it has imported the database successfully in our live server. Now go to the live server folder where we have put the previous version files in your live server. So delete them and keep backup of the previous version files before deleting it. Just delete this, and we have compressed the files in the XAMPP htdocs PlusAgency 2.6. So these files have been compressed and zipped, and now we have to upload the zip file, the updated one. upload the zip file. So go D, XAMPP, htdocs and PlusAgency 2.6. so upload this and wait for the completion. So as you can see, we have uploaded the updated files from localhost to the live server successfully. Now go to the folder in the cpanel, refresh it, and you will get the zip file. Then extract it. After extracting it, delete the zip file, then refresh the folder and you will get all the updated files. Now you have to go to the core file and open the env, edit it. Before that, we have already imported the updated files in database, so we need to connect with this database and with the informations. In your case, you will give your informations. So my database name, my username, and there is my password. I'm going to give the password. I have given the password, and click on the save changes in the .env file. We have saved the .env file, and now go to your server's domain megasoft.bh, and now refresh this site link, and you will able to see that it has been updated to PlusAgency 2.7. Here you can see all the payment gateways, so that means it has been updated to PlusAgency 2.5. So thank you for watching.